Hello, welcome to another edition of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. I'm Dave. No, I'm Wally.
You're Wally, I'm Dave. Yes, we got it now.
So today we're gonna go over another common mistake that we find quite a bit often on roofs is missing T-joint patch. We have a T-joint here on top of this wall. So those of you who are not familiar with what a T-joint is, it's where multiple layers of membrane come together. So right, as you can note right here, I'm gonna run my probe across this area here, and right in here is my opening of my T-joint. Now, some people may think this is the T-joint. The T-joint is actually right back in here, in this area. So to make this easier to weld, Dave, what could a guy have done here to make this easier to weld?
Well, to make this easier to weld, he would have made a dog ear.
Yeah. These are notorious leakers. This is not, I mean, it's not a good thing that this is open, but if this T-joint were down here on the flat part of the roof, and it sits under a puddle of water.
Oh, yeah.
A day like today, it's still sunny out.
Right.
Did it still leak?
Absolutely, because when these sheets, especially mechanically attached, move, it's going to suck it straight in.
Right.
If you have the dog ear here, it has to suck the water in around a corner, and it's much more harder to do that than to be sucked straight in.
Sure, and then the hydraulic force of that water, it's going to push its way in there.
Oh, absolutely.
And then in the northern part of the country, you've got snow on the roof, or ice and snow. What's underneath that ice?
Water.
Water.
Yep.
So you got all that weight pushing down.
Absolutely.
And where is this these T-joints gonna leak at?
Where are they going to leak at?
Not in the warehouse. It's gonna be over the boss's desk, over a
Absolutely.
bank of computers. So these are notorious leakers. There's a right way and wrong way to do these. A big punch list item.
Absolutely.
That's all we have.